going to show you how to use the webcam on a Chromebook, okay, and that is the built-in webcam, right? So very simple. So first thing is we need to go ahead and open it up. So what you want to do is bottom left hand side, you want to tap on that icon right there. You see the up arrow right there. Let's tap on the up arrow. Now we can see all of our apps here. You simply want to look for camera. Let's go ahead and double click on camera. And there we go. Again, this is the built-in camera right there. Now we can, if we tap right here, you have video right there, video mode. You have photo mode right there. And down here you have square, okay? So for instance, let's do a quick photo here, regular photo. Let me tap on that. Let's take a snapshot. It just took a photo. Also, FYI, you have your settings right here on the top left-hand side, okay? You can change the grid, timer duration, resolution, and whatnot. So I just took a photo. Now let me do a quick video. So let me go ahead and tap on video right there. Okay, now once I tap on video, you also get a mic icon on here as well. You can go ahead and record yourself, or you can just go ahead and mute it. Let me go ahead and unmute it, and let me do a quick test here. Let's record a video. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Let me turn it off. Now all of your videos and photos automatically get saved to your camera folder. So what you do from here is, again, bottom left hand side, let's tap on that. And then from here you see files right there, okay? So tap on files. Now if we look over here, now under my files you should have a new folder called camera. So let me tap on camera, and you can see all of my photos and videos right here. You know that they are photos if they have a JPEG extension, JPG. For videos, it has an extension of MP4, .mp4, okay? Now that last video I took, which I also used my mic.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
And you can see that one was used with my mic. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.